Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back again. So we will have a look at the April yesterday. I mean, those who are seeing for the first time, I'll put a playlist in the I button on the top of the video and go through the strategy. Otherwise, you'll not understand. We have made a series of videos to understand the strategy. We have a video for to understanding the strategy theoretically and also the simulation. So if you're seeing for the first time, otherwise those who are following me. So yesterday, as I said in one of the video, so if the support is broken, I'll increase the CE, and we are at the last sorry expiry day, so I have increased to 1 is to 4, right? If we have 5 here, and I've taken 10 in this, okay. And let's have a look into the chart pattern. Go to 30 minutes first. And as I explained in the last video, so by having a look into the chart pattern, you can also sell C and P like you do it in the expiry, like from taking the advantage from both the sides. See, there is a rejection from 39 to 2000. So now what I'll do, I'll just go to chart, smaller period, time period, and I can plan selling the, yeah, this was March actually. So we have exited, right? So it was exited at this price. And coming back to the April one, so this is our weekly, okay, and currently we are sitting at 20,000. We have taken this position last 2 days back. Now I can plan. Let's have a look how the monthly looks. Before that, can we book any intrinsic or okay? Did I exit something? Yeah, and what about this? Yeah. So this is how our monthly looking. To the upside, we don't have any issue. To the downside, we have opened some loss, and that's still okay. And what my plan is, as soon as the bank nifty reaches break even, I can bring the leg to the break even, that is 38,500, or yeah, 500, 38,500. Currently it is at 38,000, so we can bring it to 38,500. That's another plan. If it is reversing, we will have to book the intrinsic. So how much intrinsic we can book? Can we have a look? So these are all learnings from your if you already understood the strategy from my old previous video. So these are all learnings for you, okay. So there is not much premium to book. I mean, the difference should be at least more than 50 in reversal, so otherwise you don't have to do it. So what, I mean, you are not pocketing much, right? So you are taking the premium, booking the premium, uh, and giving some extra opening for some extra loss here on reversal, but the reversal itself is less than 50, so you don't get much benefit out of it, okay. So that's why I'm not going to book the intrinsic. And so the VIX is at somewhere at 16. It's okay, not bad. And so currently we are sitting at 1900, so we have not gained much from this also. So selects, so from the weekly we are getting some good amount. So if I come back to so there is let's draw some lines here for the chart pattern. So currently, let me go to 30 minutes. And expiry, we can also do it for 15 minutes. I think I explained in the previous video last week. So we are seeing the rejection, that's fine. But is it reliable? So this was the support earlier that was broken. And now we are seeing 39,000 is acting as a resistance. 39,000 somewhere here. Okay. And once it goes above 39,000, makes back-to-back green candles, then what I'll do, I'll sell 16th expiry weekly PE also from OTM, right? So you can take the credit up to 55 or 40 initially, because we have some open last year. We don't have to come closer and burn our hands if it is a reversal. So let's keep little safer distance. Can go for 1:4, that is 20, and hedges at somewhere here. Or yeah, so this is the plan. So how much we are going to earn from it? If Yeah, okay, this is going to give us 22,000 credit. Okay, if market is not going below, so we may earn more than 1% from it. This will become zero, right? So we are 500 points distance here, close to 500 or 400 now. So let's wait until it makes some chart patterns show some good, up move. Otherwise, only play with. You can keep bringing the C closer. Yeah, now I can see some we can go a little closer to take extra credit from here. Okay, and and what I'm going to do, I'll just exit this at 22, and then I will okay, let me remove this. So the plan of taking P is explained already, so only when there is a good reversal. And on the 16th, so we are having not here, and I would like to go a little closer aggressive because we have some extra loss to the down and take 10 loss. So and the stop loss is strictly 50% you can keep, so that you will not have impact on reversal. So just have at 100 or 105, somewhere 50% is 33, right? I think 99, 100. You can exit this at 100, and this is that little safer distance, so you can just keep it at 80 until it becomes 80. And by the time you would also, like, if it reaches that 100 or 80, so you would be having an opportunity to sell from PE side also. I hope you are understanding these small tricks to increase the profit. So that will help us. All these tricks help us reach to the 10% mark. So we already gained 5% in the month. So we can also reach to 10%. That I'm doing very controlled manner, um, because already we gained 5%, and if we achieve some another 5%, it will be 10%. But because of these videos, I have to be more responsible and more controlled. Otherwise, I was little aggressive because I was not responsible for anybody's loss. Right now, I have to be little careful in giving suggestions. So that's why I'm a little more conscious. So otherwise, sometimes I used to get 20% returns, 15% returns. So, but I will not suggest for you guys. So because that's risky methods. I used to take extra risk. For example, now there is a fall we are seeing. I used to sell at 150 rupees, 100 rupees, to take extra risk because I was responsible for my own losses. Now I'm responsible, not responsible. I want to be more controlled and give you a good suggestions. I don't want to earn in a single shot and become rich in overnight. I mean, you guys learn first, and then you can also take risk and based on the chart patterns with your experience. So there is further down move. I think you can now exit this and come closer. So I'm not seeing any up move. Even if it becomes up move, so there'll be IV crash that will get that you gain from the CE. I mean the up move, and also today is expiry, so it's I don't see the uh, you know market coming to this place until 2:30, or maybe until this becomes some 10 rupees or whatever, until the first stop. Okay, so I'm going to exit at 24.6, and I will take the position at 52. So another 10 lots, right? So we have 20 lots at the same place now. But hedges, if your margin is giving trouble, you can come closer, maybe to 5 6 rupees, and you will have a margin benefit. So that's the idea. So I'm also planning to make one detailed video of the strategy what is this strategy monthly and weekly combo in Hindi, so that I think many requests have come, so that we'll have one video in Hindi and one video already there in the English. Okay, so that I can explain. I mean, whenever I explain you guys, I think Hindi guys can also relate what exactly I'm trying to do. So we are already at 1.5% in 2 days. So 5 plus 1.5, 6.5%. So our target is actually 7%. So I hope I have cleared most of your questions. Yeah, so yesterday I wanted to tell one point. After seeing some comments, I understood. See, the position I had taken at 40,000 for the straddle, but market was at somewhere 39,500. But what was my view actually? End of 1 or 2 weeks, we'll reach to that level. If we are not reaching, I'll take the advantage of selling C immediately. So that's what we are doing. So we are immediately selling the C aggressively, even if it is coming down. And if it further comes down, I'll sell extra C from here. I mean, I'll come closer and sell so that this loss will not hurt me. I keep going from the CE weekly. And if it reverses in 1 or 2 or 1 week also, so I have good open space here. I mean, good profit to the up that won't hurt me because from tomorrow I'm going to sell 10 lots, right? I'll sell it from for OTM. That's the plan. Yeah. So I think you liked the content. Be controlled and have small by small. See, I'm not going very aggressively. Whenever there is a opportunity, then only I'm going aggressively. Otherwise, sometimes you would have seen previous day it was 90,000, next day 88,000, 1 lakh previous day, next day 90,000. So I was going in that small range only. But whenever I see the opportunities, I come closer and sell aggressively. So I mean, if I was not doing these videos, I would have taken extra risk and sold because I know how to exit, but I don't want to go aggressive in the videos and because you are learning, right? So that's very important. Learn and control. 5%, 7% is very good returns for the long period of time. And yeah, one more trick I wanted to tell. So currently, what I'm doing, whatever profit I'm getting, I'm investing in Nifty Bs and index funds and pledging that amount. I am taking a covered call nearly for 35 lakhs. I have taken covered call for OTM. I don't expect much from that. 1 2%. Now I have little aggressive at 1 or 2% from covered call. So 20 lakh fixed for this strategy because I'm earning 7, 10, 20, 15% from this strategy, right? With 20 lakhs. So that's why I'm keeping a fixed 20. So maybe I have a plan to increase this to 50 lakhs also, IronFly combo. So I'm not going to do it immediately. So that's another quick update. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.